Hey Tech Army, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Tech Timing. So guys, in this amazing episode we are going to discuss 5 ways technology has helped education during the pandemic. Are you guys excited? So let's get started. So keep up with me till the end, comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on the post notifications for more videos. 2020 was a challenging year to say the least. The COVID-19 pandemic caught us off guard and all sectors and industries were impacted. The sad part is that even if we're well into 2021, things have not changed much, and some industries are still very affected by the pandemic. While most sectors have been negatively affected, others have seen long overdue improvements. Education is one of them. 5 ways technology has improved education. The great advancements in technology have changed the face of education, although as I said before, the basic principles are the same. How students are now taught is very different. Technology has now become essential for education. Here are a few ways in which technology impacts education. Number 1. It simplifies access to education resources. What years ago seemed like an impossible task is now at our fingertips. With the help of technology, we are now able to access any and all information that we may need in just a few seconds, and this is a valuable asset, especially when it comes to online education. Number 2. It improves the learning experience. Although some might not feel the same way, technology has made education more attractive to kids who otherwise might not have been as interested in it. The use of gadgets is not only useful, but it is also fun, and that makes education more entertaining to children. Number 3. It allows students to learn at their own pace. This makes students less frustrated and more engaged, more interested in learning better the things they are interested in. Not feeling left out or behind one's classmates helps students greatly, as it is usually this feeling of being behind everyone else that prevents kids from fulfilling their potential. Luckily, this is not the case anymore, as each student is evaluated individually and they can spend as much time as they need on a certain subject. Number 4. It prepares students for the future. Technology allows students to learn subjects even outside of their classroom. This helps them understand better the subjects they are already learning, and it makes the learning process easier, more attainable. Not only that, but being able to learn more things at the same time allows students to develop skills that will come in handy in the future. They can learn how they can run their own business, for instance. Also, technology in itself is an essential life skill. Number 5. It provides a plethora of applications. As we have discussed, the new teaching situation has allowed for a lot of improvements in what concerns the teaching methods. This is how new apps have come to be indispensable for both teachers and students. Flipsnack, Kahoot, Prezi, and ClassDojo are only a few of the apps that offer students and teachers great opportunities to improve the overall teaching and learning experience. Is online education sustainable? The short answer is yes, but it depends on a lot of factors. We have to make sure that all students have equal access to online education. Regardless of how it is done, it needs to be done nonetheless. There are still plenty of children who do not have the necessary resources to connect to their online classes. Whether it is their poor internet connection or their lack of gadgets, these are things that need to be solved if we want to make online education sustainable. But if we manage to solve these problems, online learning can be our future. Technology allows us to experience more pedagogy, and it also allows for instant feedback, which is very useful, not to mention the number of resources we now have access to, and the fact that we can now attend any school in the world without ever leaving our home. While the social factor is also important, it might be one of the reasons why online education may not be sustainable. I think that maybe a mix of online and offline classes is the key to a more successful education strategy. So guys, this was all about today's video. Share as much as you can, that really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With this, we end our video.